Hey, welcome back to WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. What I want to talk to you today is about when's the best time to plant. When's the best time to plant your giant pumpkin plants, your seeds, your squash seeds, radish, lettuce seeds that all go in the ground. When's the best time? Well, really, there's no straight answer for that. It's more like, when's the best temperature? The best temperature, right now, I have my Pampered Chef thermometer in the ground. It's a nice thermometer. It's 61, 63 degrees. Now that's still pretty cool. I've got my probe in the ground. Believe it or not, that's a 5-inch probe. I know most men can't read a tape measure, but that is a solid 5 inches. All right. Now 63 degrees out here. Hey, good morning, Eri. How you doing, man? This is Bubba and Eri. But here inside the house, the cables where I have the soil cables buried, growing our plants, starting my little hoop houses. Let's check the temperature in here. Now the temperature in here is actually, let's see how she climbs. 70, 72. There you go. Now we're not cooking veal. And we ain't cooking our pumpkin plants. We're just keeping them warm. 75 degrees. Now that's down 5 to 6 inches deep. Now I had one member just say that his hoop house wasn't staying warm in there, but I'm not sure at night. He said, I'm only staying 1 degree warmer at night. But I don't know, is he putting blankets? We actually put tarps, drop cloths, pull them over the plastic at night, shut this all up so that this 72 degree soil can radiate the heat upward. It, of course, would go right through this plastic. So, what's that? Oh, box. Plus we also, we throw this cardboard box over top of the plants. So you got the cardboard box over the plants. Now if you're planting outside, you don't have a hoop house, that might be a good way to go. But the biggest thing to tell your regular gardeners, if you're growing your radishes, your squash, your lettuce, it's not what's the best time to grow, which could vary. It's when does it get warm and stay warm. The sun needs to be out for a couple of weeks before your soil will warm from the cold 50, 60 degree temps coming out of winter until you get a nice 70 degree temp. You're looking for about 60s. You get into the 60 degree temperature range, plants will start moving. When they hit 70, they'll start cranking along pretty nicely. So yeah, under 60 degrees, your seeds will rot in the ground. So don't rush right out and throw your seeds on the ground on the first sunny day. You got to give it time. That's the best time to plant, is when the soil temperatures start getting into the mid 60s and climbing into the 70s. That's your best time. All right, man, keep them growing. And hey, subscribe to our channel. Later, we got some future videos coming up. We're going to talk about worm castings. We've got some worm castings that we're going to spread. I got about a 80 bag pound of worm poop. So if you want to get your poop in a group, join us for our next video. Click on subscribe, get your notifications, let you know when we Bubba and Eri's 2019 grow. All right, we're growing them big. Come to the website, buy your seeds. We got world champion growers from around the world. I actually mailed the seed to Matthias Williams in Belgium that grew the world record pumpkin of 2,624 pounds. You can buy seeds from Jeremy Lindley from Arkansas on our site, Chris Kent from the Smoky Mountains, Pete Vanderweilen from Wisconsin are all selling their seeds on my site. It'll be direct from the grower to you, seeds for sale. They don't go through my hands. They come direct from the grower. So, but hey, join us at the site, get your seeds, marks, mixes, and hey, have a green, beautiful year. We'll talk to you soon, man. Keep them growing.